Manually building 3D worlds from scratch is a soul-crushing grind. What if you could turn this simple image into a fully interactive 3D universe instantly? Today, we're coding the Python agent that makes this a reality. Before we jump in, subscribe, comment below, get your coding vibe for today. Turning a single 2D image into a rich, interactive 3D scene has always been a complex and time-consuming task, reserved for expert 3D artists. But what if you could automate it? Today, we're using SceneGen, a revolutionary project that generates 3D scenes in a single pass, and we're supercharging it with an AI agent to orchestrate the entire workflow from a simple text prompt. The github.com/mengmushu/SceneGen project is a game changer, allowing the creation of full 3D scenes from a single 2D image. It solves a huge problem by bridging the gap between common 2D visuals and the high demand for 3D content. By integrating SceneGen with a powerful AI like Gemini, we transform a complex, manual process into an automated, intelligent workflow, dramatically boosting the efficiency and quality of generative AI applications that need. We're doing this with vibe coding. Instead of writing every line from scratch, we'll give our AI expert, Gemini 1.5 Flash, a high-level prompt describing our goal. An AI agent that takes a user's idea, analyzes an image, and commands SceneGen to build the 3D world. It's about describing the vibe and letting the AI handle the complex code. Subscribe to get the full vibe prompt we used to generate this entire script. First, we lay the groundwork. We configure paths to the SceneGen repository and our output folders, and set up the Gemini API key. This is the foundation for our AI agent. Next, we initialize our AI brain. We instruct a Gemini model to be our 3D scene expert, capable of understanding creative prompts and analyzing images for key objects. Now, we wrap SceneGen. We build Python functions to automatically prepare the required input folders and then execute the powerful SceneGen inference script using a subprocess. Here's the magic. Our main pipeline takes an image and a prompt, gets guidance from the AI on what to build, prepares the inputs, and kicks off the 3D generation process. Once the 3D model is ready, we send it back to the AI. It generates a rich description of the scene, offering context and creative suggestions for its use. Finally, our main function orchestrates the entire workflow. It's the command center that takes a user's idea and turns it into a downloadable 3D asset, end to end. And there you have it. We've transformed a complex, manual process into an automated, intelligent workflow. By orchestrating SceneGen with an AI agent, we can now generate high-quality 3D assets faster and cheaper than ever before. This is the future of content creation for e-commerce, gaming, and the metaverse. Subscribe for the full code and vibe prompt, and start building your own 3D worlds today. Did you vibe code smarter today?